Speed Nation? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing another mod to the Hellcat. Hopefully, if we got time, we are going to get a mid-muffler delete. I have a name for the Hellcat, right? But I can't call it that specific name because it's a little quiet. So right now it's called the Quiet Cat. When we get our mid-muffler delete, the new name of the Hellcat will be revealed and we will be going from there. So stay tuned, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And now I'll see you once we get to the mid-muffler shop. Alright, so real quick, before we get the mid-muffler delete, I want to get a couple of revs before and after, so we can do a sound comparison in the video. So there we have it, y'all. About to get it pulled in. Got a scat that just got done right there. My man came from Michigan. Picked up the scat.
You gotta get that before and after video, bro.
I am. Definitely. Quiet going in, sound good coming out. That's how we do it. So y'all see where I'm at. I'm at A&B Muffler out here in Grand Prairie, Texas. I'm gonna drop the link in the description below where you can come get your stuff done. They do it all right here, y'all. Y'all see a scat pack just got his stuff done. It sounded real good. You see the name right here, A&B Muffler Shop, right? Custom dude. I'm getting mine done as well. My man Anthony just got his done.
Yeah, sounded nice. Rev it up.
Anthony, how you feel about the results of your car, man?
I'm loving it.
See that? You get it right here. Let's get a res right quick. Here we go. There it is. There go one. There go the mid-muffs. That's a good catch. Okay, so just to let y'all know, I'm doing something just slightly different. They said they haven't seen much difference, but I don't think they actually drove the cars on the highway after they actually did the test. So JMC Rides, he put me onto this, and go subscribe to his channel as well. Some mid-muffler cans I got off of Amazon. I'll leave a link for that in the description as well. We taking the mid-mufflers off and putting these on. You still get the loud sound, but it eliminates the drone and raspiness when you're on the highway and when you rev it. So we'll see how that goes. So it was called Dynomax mid mufflers. I forgot the name of the mid mufflers real quick, but I got it on Amazon. JMC Rides, he put it on his Hellcat 2019, and it got rid of the drone and the raspiness of the car when you do the mid-muffler delete. Look good. Start, y'all. First start. That symbol right there. Once again, y'all, I just took care of business inside. Come see Ivan and George right here, A&B Muffler Shop, right here in Grand Prairie, right? Link will be in the description below. I'm satisfied with the results. There it is. It's all done. Tell them Need to Speed sent you so you can get that specialty discount. There it is, y'all. Like, share, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.